We just arrived at one of our locations.
I never thought in the wildest dream I'd see you again. Never dreamed about nothing else other than you. I always thought I'd be waiting in vain, but suddenly there you were. Never thought it'd be easy to feel you in my arms, but now
Trying to find a fishing spot. Trying to keep the car really close. Is that a stocking truck? I like this because we could keep the car really close to us because we got the baby and everything, so maybe right over here is a nice little opening.
Slipper's loading, yeah. Let's go get the baby, she's awake. Alright, first cast of the day. Let's just look, guys.
What do you have on?
Amelia's awake. We got on a bright orange micetail.
Oops! Thought I had a fish, but it was just a duck. Baby feeding time. Maybe the bite will turn on since Amelia's eating.
She likes this hat though.
Thanks, Obi.
Thank you, Obi.
Obi Jigs. Find him on Instagram. Got all the gear. Ready to go fishing. Still on?
Yes.
Christine?
Swimming this way.
Christine on her first fish. Oh, it's a little baby. Got it. Christine's first fish. Nice little rainbow. Now let's release him. There he goes.
Caught that with, oh sorry honey, an orange micetail.
That was him right there. Oh. There he goes again. He's going after it big time aggressively. There he is. Oh. How am I?
Honey.
What happened? That one.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Amelia's trying to look. Wow, that's a decent size, honey.
Just got one, guys. On an OB jig. OB jig, guys. Hit it hard. Oh, let's get a release on this guy. There he is. Look, Amelia.
Daddy's gonna release that trout.
Fun little fight. There he goes. That was fun. Olive color with the gold head.
Ah, missed him again. Yes. Are we recording? Ooh, daddy.
Another one on a little mini jig. It's on a brown and white mini jig.
Mommy do it. Beautiful. Honey, I'm gonna set.
Time for the release. There you go. Let's get Christine and Amelia on some fish.
Alright, ready, baby? Your daddy says there's fish over here, so we're gonna give it a shot.
Dead log over there, and I think they're just all hanging around it, using it as a protection, shelter. You going already?
I missed
You got bit
it.
already, huh? See?
Baby, you're holding the pole too. She's like, I want to fish.
Amelia's trying to hold the pole. Oh, nice! Oh, are you stuck?
Aw. Yeah, I'm stuck. Let me lift my thing. See?
Christine's on the fish. We walked away, and then her
So
rod is
look
going
like-
off. There he is, right on the lip.
You want to hold some, baby?
On the same
Orange.
orange and chartreuse. There he is. See that, Amelia? That's your fish, Amelia.
Say bye. Bye, friend.
And he's off.
Ah, we're winning. Amelia, mommy 3, daddy 2.
Is that all I have?
Oh, you got the mini
I caught one here.
over
3.
here.
Oh, she's ready. She's holding on to the rod. Since Amelia just finished up eating, now it's our turn. So we're gonna be cooking up some koji, sweet garlic teriyaki, with some Wagyu beef patties, artisanal bread, brioche buns, mild cheddar, lettuce, onions, tomatoes. It's gonna be good. Let's get started. We got the Wagyu beef. Christine just wants a single, but I'm gonna do a double. Got one there. Boom. One more. Boom. Amelia's crying in the background. Let's do some tomatoes. We're gonna add the sauce at the end when it's cooked up a little bit more. Time to grill up some onions in this little corner over here. We all like grilled onions. We're gonna get the bread nice and toasty on the other one. Time to add the koji sauce. Just gonna add a little bit on top. Might as well just add the cheese now. Boom. That's one. And there it is. Double double koji sweet garlic teriyaki burger. Juicy.
Very good.
It's good, huh? I like it too.
It's messy.